Hi guys, welcome back. I hope you guys can hear me okay. I am about to do a declutter / a collection video for my BBW fragrances. So currently I have 3 shelves. I'm actually sitting down right now and we're gonna go through them shelf by shelf. So there definitely will be 3 videos. So yeah, you guys, if you are interested and want to see what I have and what I'm going to be decluttering, then just keep watching. Alright, you guys, so like I said, this is a collection / declutter video. It is time for me to move some fragrances around. I do have 2 fragrances in here that were in a declutter in the past and they have not sold as of now. You guys know I did a declutter. I don't remember if it was 6 months ago or maybe a year ago, but yeah, these are the only 2 I have left from what I was decluttering at the time. So this is Bright Christmas Morning as well as Golden Berry Mistletoe. My collection is usually organized pretty well, but they're not really organized right now, and I'm gonna show you everything that I'm going to keep. I'll let you know if there's anything that I'm going to get rid of, and towards the end of all of the videos, anything, let me know. You can buy from me personally. I'll also be updating things on Mercari. I've already done shower gel, I've done my body care that's in my bathroom. Go ahead and jump right in. So this is Infinite Radiance. I already know this is one of my favorites, definitely keeping. This is Guilty as Fig. I actually really like this one. As you can see, she has a little bit of a dent. I didn't love her at first, but now I do, so keeping. This is new to the collection. This was from this winter SAS, keeping. Also keeping this Island Margarita. I really wish I would have got a backup of that, but keeping. Definitely keeping my Vanilla Ease. Also keeping my Moonlit Goddess. So obviously you have to have both of these. Okay, I moved it up a little bit just so I can be a little bit closer. So now we have the Blue Raspberry Burst. I'm keeping this one. Also keeping my Start Fruit Sangria. I really like this. Also keeping my Strawberry Flirt. This is the Sunwash Santal. I have 2 of these. I might get rid of one. But I'm definitely keeping this one. I really do like the scent of this. So I'm keeping this one. Keeping my Holiday Pickle Ornament because, I mean, you have to keep that. All right, I'm going to be keeping my Be Enchanted. I love Fresh Getaway, so definitely keeping this one. This one might possibly be on the chopping block. I'm not sure because I never really use this one. It did just come back out, I think for SAS or something, but I don't know. I need to sniff this one and then we're going to see towards the end of the video. Gingham Glow. I'm keeping all of my ginghams that I have. So this one is Glow, keeping being fresh. I did get rid of a couple of these because I had so many backups, and honestly I like them, but I don't think that I need to have a bunch of backups of these. They are very floral, but I am keeping this one as well. Gorgeous, keeping. All American. I'm going to be keeping this one as well. Velvet Sugar. Yeah, I don't know if I should keep this one or not. Like, so many people love this scent, but I don't know, y'all. I don't know how I feel about this one. This was the older version. This is from 2021, so this is a older one where it doesn't have the scent notes and things, but we're gonna put her in the maybe section. Definitely keeping my Bubblegum Pop. I love this one, and I think I have a backup somewhere. I hope they bring that one back. Carried Away. I always say I'm gonna keep Carried Away, and then I never ever wear Carried Away, so she's gonna go into the maybe section. Movie Watermelon, keeping. I forgot what this is. Y'all know they be changing the names up, but those are the scent notes. But yes, I'm keeping them. Drive. I have such a love-hate with this. Like, sometimes I really like it, sometimes I don't. I think I'm gonna keep her, but we're gonna put her in the maybe pile, but I might just keep her because she's down to here. So I don't know. I'm putting her in the maybe for now. Firecracker Pop. I'm keeping this one. I'm gonna work on using this one up this summer. I like this one, but it's not a love for me. It's so I have not bought this one since I bought this one, and I think this was 2021. So it's a cherry fragrance, but it's not my favorite cherry, so I don't know. but I'm keeping this one. This is lavender. I'm also keeping some sort of order. This one is Winter Peach Marshmallow. This came out a couple years ago, and I got really tired of like the body care itself, but I never got rid of the spray. I'm not getting rid of the spray, so I'm going to keep this one. This is Malibu Heat. I'm going to keep. This one came out last year, right? 2024. Yeah, keeping her. We have Fresh Jungle Rain. Now, why I don't use this one enough, I don't know, but I really like the scent of this one, so definitely keeping this one. Snowflakes and Cashmere. I'm going to keep this one as well, but I do need to see if I have like a bunch of backups or whatever, because I really feel like I don't need backups of this because it comes out every year. We're going to see when we get up to the top, but yes, I'm keeping this one. Diamond of the Season. She don't get worn a lot, but I do like her, and I'm keeping. Why do they keep bringing tropical back and not bring back coconut pineapple? I feel like this is the last one that we got, and this was in 2023. I need them to bring it back. I did recently see that they have a couple new scents coming out for tropical this year. I definitely won't be getting any of the older scents because I'm pretty sure I already have them in my collection, but this one, I haven't been wearing this one because I don't want to use it up, but I need them to bring her back. I have Getaway Soiree. This is really nice. Keeping eyes on her. Love this one as well. She's really good. I do not own the entire luxury line. I did only buy certain ones because I'm not in the habit of, or at least anymore, I'm trying not to be in the habit of keeping things or buying things that I don't like just to say that I have them in my collection, but I really do like the ones that I do have in my collection, and this is definitely a good one. Berry Tangerine. Y'all, this one is so old. I think this is from 2021 as well. This is also another one that they have not brought back in years, and I really feel like I need to start making it a point of like using my things. So yeah, I'm definitely keeping this one. Have a Pastel Skies. This one is slightly on the chopping block. I be wanting to love these type of scents, but I don't always love them. Those are the notes. So we're going to see. We're going to put her in the maybe section. I low-key want to put this in the maybe section too, but I think I'm probably going to be keeping this one just because it is, I don't know, like it's really a tropical coconut scent. So I kind of want to put this in the maybe section. I don't know, y'all. I don't know. I'm gonna put it in the maybe section for now, and we'll just see how I feel once I go through my entire collection. All right, this is Calypso Clementine. Definitely keeping this one. I have the fragrance that goes with this as well, and I really enjoy this one. This is Buttercup and Berry Bellini. Okay, she's gonna go in the maybe section. I'm not sure. Let me see. I did like her at one point, but I don't know. Sometimes she smells a little artificial to me, and I do have other berry scents that I enjoy more. So we're gonna put her in the maybe section. In the Sun, definitely keeping this one. I really have to pull these fragrances out and start wearing them this summer. I cannot wait. I am excited for those. This is Margarita Cupcake. This is one that they haven't brought back in Lord knows how long. I don't even know how old this one is, but this is old. I'm thinking maybe 2020, 2021 or something like that. I don't know, but I love this scent and I'm keeping. All right, then we have Poolside Cabana. I do like this one as well, and I'm going to keep the Coconut Lime Verbena. I don't think I got a backup with this one. Enjoyed this one when it came out like 2 summers ago? 24. So yeah, almost 2 summers ago, but yeah, love that. I have Tahiti Island Dreams. Definitely keeping this one. This is Watermelon Lemonade. This is from a couple years ago. Is this the same as the other one that I have? No. Y'all know the watermelon lemonades or whatever be a little bit different. So this is definitely different than the other watermelon I showed you. But yeah, I'm keeping this one. Peach Bellini. This might go on a chopping block. I love peach scents, but sometimes, I don't know. It might be, I don't know if it's the Prosecco in here or something, but it's a little something. So we're gonna see. We're gonna put her in the maybe section. Weekend is also one that is gonna go in the maybe section. I always be like, okay, I'm gonna wear this, I'm gonna keep it, and I never reach for it for some reason. So I need to, like, I don't know, spray these and see if it's something that I want to even attempt to keep. But yeah, we have this one. Rio, pineapple mango, definitely keeping. Poppy is on the chopping block. I love the packaging of this, but I am getting rid of, I think, the shower gel, body butter as well. So I might just do a set of Poppy. So if you are interested and you like Poppy, she might be your girl, because I don't know that I'm going to keep this one. We're going to see. Meet me in Miami, keeping. Okay, we have sparkling orange spritz. I'm pretty sure I'm keeping this one, but I might put this in the maybe section because I'm trying to see if this is super close to something else in my collection. So we're gonna go for maybe for now, but I think I'm gonna end up keeping the thin. This is Pink Pineapple Sunrise. I'm definitely keeping her. She will be back out for the tropical collection this year. It's one that I hardly ever wear, y'all. I don't know. She might be in the maybe section. We're gonna put her in the maybe pile for now. Anybody got a backup for me? Anybody? I love this scent down. It's one of my favorites. I've had a couple of these, and this was like a backup that I had. So yeah, definitely keeping, and I would love to see this scent come back in the future. Keeping is going to be the Fresh Amalfi Lemon, R.I.P. Santos, because anytime I see this fragrance or wear it, I think about him, because he loved lemon scent. So shout out to him and Kim. Love you, girl. Hope you are doing well. So yeah, definitely keeping this one. 2021, but this is Cherry Limeade, and she was amazing. Okay, focus. It's not focusing. Anyways, she was really amazing. I love this scent, and I have been holding on to her forever because I have not been wanting to use her, but I really love the scent of this. It literally smells like a cherry limeade slushy. Hito, is this similar to one I got in my collection already? No, I don't think so. Keeping this one. I love me a good watermelon scent. Then we have Strawberry Soda. This was from that same collection that the cherry limeade is from. Now, I don't know about this one. I don't know, because although it's a strawberry scent, it's kind of like a watered down strawberry scent or something. It kind of almost smells a little artificially as well. So we're gonna put her in the maybe pile. Have Among the Clouds, definitely keeping. This was a really good one. So far I haven't reached for her in a very long time. No particular reason why, but I don't know, I just don't reach for it that much. But I'm gonna keep her. Like one. This one might be on the chopping block. Either this one or Cocoa Paradise. I haven't decided yet, but one of them might be on the chopping block. We're gonna see. Now, champagne toast. Y'all, I wanna love champagne toast so bad, but I just don't. And it's one that it's always out. It always comes out, and I was like, I don't know who's gonna want this, so I don't know if I should get rid of it or not, but she's gonna go in the maybe pile. We have Pink Lily and Bamboo. This one is really nice. I don't wear it often, as you can see, but we're gonna keep her. Maybe, I don't know. We're gonna put her in the maybe section. I need to smell her because I can't remember what she smells like. This is Fruity Sherbet Scoop. Also another one of Santos's favorite, but I don't know how I feel about this one, y'all. I thought I liked it, but then it kind of smelled artificially. I'm unsure. Maybe section. White Citrus. This is one I rarely ever wear, but I'm keeping. I'm gonna just pull these two up here. Then we have Moonlit Martini. This is a maybe. We're gonna put her in the maybe section because I can stuff over. Pretty as a peach. She's cute. She's staying. We're keeping her. So this is currently what my shelf is looking like. I cleaned them out, and I definitely got rid of a couple of these fragrances. What I will say is only 3 that are still up in the air for me. Everything else is either back in my collection or it's gone out of my collection. But yeah, you guys, this is what my spring summer fragrances look like. are looking like currently. So now we're going to go ahead and do this shelf, and these shouldn't even be up here, but yeah, we're going to go ahead and do this shelf next. So that is it, you guys. I hope you enjoy, and I will see you in another video.